Alrighty, today we're going to be building the track and the pivot. So please open up a standard.ipt, start a 2D sketch, make a rectangle. Now let's dimension that rectangle on one side to be 1 inch, and on the other side to be a value of, 3.4 inches. Good. Now you're going to make two small rectangles on the top, like so. So it kind of looks like teeth. Now let's dimension all of this. So this top line to the, or this middle line, sorry, to the bottom line is a value of 0.75. It's true for both of them. If you get this message, that's good. If you don't, just make sure they're both 0.75. Now this left side to the first point needs to be a value of 0.4. The same left side to the second line or point needs to be a value of 0.75. The same one again to the third one needs to be a value of, let's see here, 2.65. Yeah. And then the fourth one, again, to the left, it's the same for all four of them, needs to be a value of 3. I just think 3 flat. Yep, 3. Okay, now we're going to trim these top 2 points, so it looks almost like we have teeth here. Sometimes I have to click twice to get that, but that should be good. And then you need to draw a line way out here. You may think that's crazy, but it'll be important in a minute. Now you need the outer edge, and it is important that it's the outer edge, to that center point, and you need to set that value to be 15 inches. Doesn't matter how long the line is as long as it's out there. So finish that sketch. You're going to revolve this shape around that axis. That's why you need it, but you don't want full. You actually want 45 degrees. If you do full thinking you're going to cheat and get away easy, it's not going to work. Just going to warn you right now, serious problems later. Okay, then just open a new part, and we're going to start a second 2D sketch on a completely second part. So be sure you save that first one. And go ahead and make a rectangle or a square, doesn't matter. We're going to set the dimensions as 1 inch by 1 inch. This is all for your pivot. And congratulations, the true easiest sketch will do this entire time. You're going to extrude it by a value of 1 inch, pretty easy extrusion too. You can create a new sketch on the top. You're going to create a circle roughly in the middle. Doesn't really matter what the dimension of the circle's size is, but it does need to be 0.5 from the side and 0.5 from the top. Besides that, the actual diameter of the circle does not matter, as long as it fits within this comfortably. Go ahead and finish that sketch, and we're going to extrude this downwards. Oh, one moment. Let me try that again. You actually have to click on it sometimes, and then make sure you choose the second choice. And congratulations, you've built your pivot too. Be sure to save that. Both these parts will be important in just a minute.